This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a world time zone map. First, let's grasp the fundamental concept of time zones. The Earth is divided into 24 sections, each representing 1 hour of time difference. The prime meridian, passing through Greenwich, England, is our 0 point, establishing Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC. Every 15 degrees of longitude roughly corresponds to one time zone. This system helps us standardize time globally, making it easier to coordinate activities across vast distances. We'll explore how these zones are visually represented and interpreted. Now, let's dive into reading the map itself. You'll notice various colors or patterns, each signifying a unique time zone. Begin by finding your current location on the map. Once identified, you can see which time zone you are in. Crucially, pay attention to the Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, offset values. These numbers, like +5 or -8, tell you how many hours ahead or behind UTC a particular region is. This visual information is key to understanding global time differences at a glance. With the map in hand, calculating time differences becomes straightforward. Use the Coordinated Universal Time offsets you've identified for your two chosen locations. If you're moving eastward, you generally add hours. If moving westward, you subtract them. For example, if one place is UTC +5 and another is UTC -3, there's an 8-hour difference. Remember to also consider daylight saving time, which can shift local times by 1 hour in many areas during certain months, adding a crucial layer to your calculations. Mastering the World Time Zone map offers numerous practical benefits. You can effortlessly coordinate international calls and virtual meetings, ensuring everyone connects at a convenient hour. Planning travel itineraries across different time zones becomes much simpler, helping you avoid jet lag surprises. Furthermore, understanding global event schedules, from sports to financial markets, becomes clear and accurate. This skill empowers you to navigate our interconnected world with greater precision and efficiency, making global communication and planning much smoother for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.